Have you ever wondered how you can earn money just by sending emails? It may sound too good to be true, but in the realm of digital marketing, this isn't just a possibility, it's a thriving reality. Welcome to the world of email marketing, a strategy that leverages the power of email to promote products or services, build relationships with potential customers, and yes, make money. In the vast digital marketing landscape, email marketing holds a unique and crucial position. Why, you may ask? Well, consider this. There are over 4 billion email users worldwide. That's more than half the global population. And businesses, from small startups to Fortune 500 companies, are willing to pay for access to these people's inboxes. But it's not just about gaining access to inboxes. It's about delivering the right content to the right people at the right time. When done correctly, email marketing can provide an impressive return on investment. For every $1 spent on email marketing, businesses can expect an average return of $42. Now, that's a lucrative proposition. So, how does one earn money from email marketing? The answer lies in the value that you can provide. Businesses are willing to pay for well-crafted, targeted emails that can engage their audience, drive traffic to their websites, and ultimately boost sales. As an email marketer, you can earn money by creating these valuable emails and getting them in front of the right audience. You can also earn by providing businesses with access to your own email list. If you have a list of engaged subscribers who are interested in a particular niche, businesses in that niche would be willing to pay you to reach your audience. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services in your emails and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral, you can earn a pretty penny. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? So let's dive deeper and understand how you can make money through email marketing. To start earning money through emails, you'll need a platform. Not just any platform, but one that's trusted and reliable. So let's dive in and explore the top platforms that can kickstart your email marketing journey. First up is MailChimp, a powerhouse in the email marketing world. Known for its user-friendly interface and generous free tier, it's an excellent choice for beginners. Feature-wise, it offers pre-designed email templates, audience segmentation, and robust analytics to monitor your campaigns. While the platform is free to start, premium plans start from $20 a month, offering more advanced features. Next on the list is Constant Contact, a platform that stands out for its social media integrations and event management tools. It's particularly beneficial for those looking to coordinate their email marketing with social media campaigns or event promotions. Pricing for Constant Contact starts at $20 per month. Third, we have Sendinblue, a platform that places a strong emphasis on automation. With Sendinblue, you can set up automated email sequences, freeing up time to focus on other aspects of your business. The platform offers a free tier for beginners, and premium plans begin at $25 a month. Lastly, we have GetResponse, a platform known for its comprehensive approach to email marketing. It combines email marketing with landing page creation, webinar hosting, and even CRM. GetResponse's pricing starts at $15 per month. Each of these platforms offers unique features and benefits, so it's crucial to select the one that aligns best with your business needs and budget. Remember, the platform is just a tool. Your success in email marketing will depend largely on your strategy and execution. Now that you know where to start, let's move on to the next important step: building an email list. Scene script. An email list is the backbone of any email marketing campaign. But how do you build one? Let's unravel this mystery together. Building an email list is not as daunting as it may seem. It's about reaching out to people who are interested in what you have to offer and convincing them to join your email network. It's all about providing value and cultivating relationships. First up, offering freebies or incentives is a tried and tested method. Who doesn't love free stuff, right? You could offer a free ebook, a discount coupon, or access to exclusive content. The idea is to give something valuable to your audience in exchange for their email addresses. Next, creating compelling content is another powerful strategy. If you consistently provide high-quality, valuable content, people will want to stay connected to not miss out on your next piece. Blogs, articles, webinars, or podcasts are great ways to attract sign-ups. Now, how about using sign-up forms on your website? You can place these forms strategically across your website, on your homepage, at the end of blog posts, or even as a pop-up. The key here is to keep the form simple and the sign-up process hassle-free. And let's not forget the power of social media promotions. Promote your email list on your social media platforms. Encourage your followers to sign up by highlighting the benefits they'll receive. These could include exclusive insights, early bird discounts, or privileged access to your products or services. Remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to have 100 engaged subscribers who interact with your content than 1,000 disinterested ones. So focus on attracting people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Lastly, always ensure to comply with privacy laws. Always get explicit consent before adding any email address to your list. This respect for privacy not only keeps you legally safe, but also builds trust with your audience. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start building your email list. With a solid email list in your hand, you are ready to take the next step, crafting lucrative emails. It's not just about sending emails, it's about sending the right kind of emails. Let's dive into the art of crafting a lucrative email. It's like assembling a puzzle where every piece plays a pivotal role. Now, what are these pieces? A compelling subject line, personalization, clear and concise content, and a strong call to action. The subject line, it's the first impression, the shop window of your email. It should be enticing, intriguing, and above all, it should compel the reader to click and open that email. It's a fine line between clickbait and a genuinely engaging subject line. Mastering this art can drastically increase your open rates. Next up, personalization. It's the secret sauce that adds a touch of familiarity and relevance to your emails. Whether it's addressing the recipient by their name or tailoring the content to their preferences, personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. Remember, people love to feel special. Then we move on to clear and concise content. This is where you need to strike a balance between providing value and promoting your offer. The golden rule? Be straightforward and to the point. Keep it simple, keep it engaging. Your aim is to guide your reader towards the action you want them to take, without overwhelming them with unnecessary information. Finally, the pièce de résistance, the call to action. This is where you direct your reader towards the action that will ultimately lead to conversions. Whether it's signing up for a webinar, purchasing a product, or simply visiting your website, your call to action should be clear, compelling, and easy to follow through. Crafting a lucrative email is like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients, in the right proportions, mixed in the right order, and baked for the right amount of time. It's a science, an art, and a dash of instinct. Now that you know how to craft a lucrative email, let's talk about the final step, sending emails and earning money. You have your platform, your email list, and your lucrative email. Now it's time to make some money. The first step in this process is to understand how to send out your emails through the platform you've chosen. Each platform has its specific method, but the process is generally straightforward. You'll be selecting your email list, uploading your lucrative email, and hitting the send button. But remember, it's not just about sending an email, it's about sending the right email at the right time. Timing is crucial in email marketing. You want to reach your audience when they are most likely to be checking their inbox. This could vary based on who your audience is and where they are located. For instance, a mid-morning send time might work best for a business audience, while a late evening might be more suitable for a younger demographic. Once your email is out in the world, the real work begins. It's time to analyze the performance of your email. Did it open? Did it read? Did it click on the link? These are all questions you need to answer to understand if your email was successful. Most email marketing platforms provide analytics tools that can help you track these metrics. But don't stop at just analyzing. Use the feedback you get from these metrics to optimize your future emails. If your open rates are low, try tweaking your subject line. If your click-through rates are low, maybe your call to action needs a little more oomph. Email marketing is a game of constant iteration and improvement. Now, let's talk about the big question. How does this translate to money? Well, every time someone on your email list interacts with your email, it's an opportunity for you to earn. Whether they are clicking on ads, purchasing products, or signing up for services, these actions all contribute to your income. And that's it. You are now ready to start earning money through email marketing. Remember, consistency and quality are key in this game. Happy emailing!